Do you know these 10 phrasal verbs related to crime? Let's find out. To let someone off is to forgive someone. To blow up is to explode. To lock up is to put someone in prison. To tell someone off is to reprimand someone. To run away is to escape by running. To beat someone up is to attack someone with violence. To look into is to investigate. To get away with is to do something and avoid punishment. To break in is to enter by force. To break out is to escape from prison or an enclosed space. Okay, now we've looked at some synonyms for these 10 phrasal verbs related to crime. I think it's time to practice. A group of vandals beat up a stranger. Luckily, they were arrested.
Yesterday, some Italian guys beat up my brother in your neighborhood.
My boss got away with tax fraud by bribing a judge.
I'm thinking someone got away with murder.
The police are looking into the incident. Soon, they'll make an announcement.
Detective Loki, what you just told me, and he'll definitely look into it.
My teacher told me off for being late.
You know, because I deserve to be told off.
We all ran away after the protest to avoid being arrested.
Let's just run away together.
In my opinion, corrupt politicians should be locked up for life.
And have you thought more about why you were locked up?
The police stopped me on the motorway when I was speeding. Luckily, they let me off with a warning.
Well, can't you let me off with just a warning?
The prisoners broke out of jail during the fire. It was chaos.
She's trying to break out.
A bomb specialist managed to disarm the bomb before it blew up.
The shields, we take out the oscillator and we blow up their big gun.
A burglar broke into my house and stole my parents' jewelry.
You find a guy that broke in the office?
Well, that's it. That's all for today. But to continue practicing, I'd like you to answer this question in the comments. When you were growing up, did your parents tell you off? And if they did, what did they tell you off for? Write your answers in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!